more credible, and safe health functional food. For healthier Korea. Maintain people's health and prosperity of our lives. Korea Health Supplements Association. KHSA was founded in 1988 as Korean Health Aid Foods Association to maintain and improve the public health through the robust growth of health functional food industry. Due to the improvement of the quality of life and growing of interest in health functional foods, the legislation of functional health foods was enacted and published for the public in 2002. Later in 2003, it was launched as KHSA. Since the enforcement of the law related to the health functional food, its practicality and safety issues have been controlled and approved by a very scientific evaluation system of the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. With that as a base, KHSA also works diligently to develop health functional food business. KHSA carries out various businesses for the development of health functional food industry and consumer protection. KHSA runs 5 subcommittees, including the Policy Committee, Distributing Advancement Committee, and Board of Education to come up with joint confrontation system and developmental proposed plan of the health functional foods related system and policy. It is our strategy to reflect the will of the member companies in order to arrange the best policy. Moreover, because we are commissioned by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety to run businesses such as health functional food labeling, advertisement deliberation, and staff training, we do our best to eradicate a false, exaggerated advertisement and to upgrade traders' capability. We contribute for the industry to flourish through ongoing PR activities, informing the health functional foods related system and its scientification, such as recognition mark of health functional foods and pre-censorship of marked advertisement deliberation to the public. We proceed with continued business, such as signing the MOU, related organization in foreign countries, and participating in the international fair to open up overseas market and to encourage member companies' overseas expansion. In addition, we operate seminars to provide domestic and related information, news, and to publish industrial trend analysis, such as reports on health functional foods sales trend to help member companies' R&D departments. KHSA has been a leading company in health functional food industry through their endless efforts, and they will keep trying to promote public health, through which they will also strive to develop the health functional foods industry. The Korea Health Supplements Institute leads the health functional foods industry with nation's top technology and research team. KHSI was opened in 2004 with its major business sectors as food analysis and sanitation for food safety. It was authorized as the nation's official analyst agency of the food sanitation inspection by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. KHSI conducts an inspection on imported foods capability, pesticide residues, food additives, apparatus for packing, seafood, cosmetics, livestock, and irradiated food testing on the basis of accurate inspection analysis ability. It expands its business area to a potentially higher value-added business, such as the raw materials of the individual standardization and the consulting of the expiration date setup. In addition, KHSI is designated as Excellent Laboratories Pilot Institution in the fields of physiochemistry and of microbiology, and as National Food and Nutrition Analysis Management Network Analyst Organization by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. Also, it is selected as an agency inspecting Brazil food exports by the Ministry of Knowledge Economy, and is authorized as a Japan Export Public Service Inspection Agency by Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. In May 2012, KHSI moved to a larger facility located in Pangyo, a mecca of high-tech bio-venture business. KHSI expanded and improved the research installation with a separated lab, which enables the study of nutritional function composition, microorganisms, and toxic substances to take place. KHSI has been the nation's premier inspection institution that has the latest inspection machines, such as HPLC, GC, GCMS, etc. KHSI also puts its best effort to continuously invest and innovate in order to guarantee the reliability of the inspection. KHSI will go on to secure the global competency based on the up-to-date knowledge of top-class professional manpower and the most advanced scientific technology by possessing advanced equipment. KHSI leads the health functional foods industry with nation's top technology and research team. They will continue to do their best to be nation's top inspection institution and professional researchers that leads health functional foods industry.
우리 협회는 건강기능식품 산업 발전과 소비자 보호를 위해 다각적인 노력을 하고 있습니다. 또한 창조 경제 시대에 발맞춰 산업계의 경쟁력 강화를 위한 다양한 사업을 추진하고 있습니다. 앞으로도 우리 협회는 국민 건강을 위해 고품질의 소재와 제품을 개발하기 위한 노력을 아끼지 않고 소비자에게는 정확한 정보를 제공하며 회원사를 위한 다양한 서비스를 확대하는 등 건강기능식품 산업에 든든한 버팀목이 될 수 있도록 최선을 다해 노력하겠습니다.
KHSA has been growing as a key driving force in the health functional foods industry, not only because of the responsibility but also the passion that they have towards the healthcare of Korean people. In this era of globally competitive economy, we put creative economy, secure national competitiveness, and put public health as the top priority on the agenda. The creation of new potential values, the development in the research of technologies and systems, a greater faith and trust. KHSA will go on to plan for the future of health functional foods industry, to become more advanced and professional through various activities and will stand responsible for their roles as an honest public health keeper. More reliable and safe health functional foods. For healthier Republic of Korea. Korea's Health Supplements Association will protect people's health and will bring prosperity to our lives.